What's up guys, JV here. So today I'll be unboxing my Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0 in Core Black. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to this channel as I talk about sneakers and other products as well. Alright, so a little background before talking about the Ultra Boost 4.0 in Core Black. Originally, I was looking into buying the Adidas Pure Boost Lima version, but I thought about this shoe and the Adidas Pure Boost, and I tried them on both. And this shoe looks pretty dope. I mean, it has a primed upper, a TPU plastic cage that helps support your feet when you run, and a heel counter at the back to help support your heel. Immediately when I wore this shoe, I fell in love with it. I mean, what's not to love? I also have a pair of NMDs, which they're comfortable to walk in, but these pair of shoes, they're on a different level. I mean, it's a night and day difference. The NMD is a lifestyle shoe, whereas these Ultra Boosts are a full-fledged running shoe, right? So, yeah, they're awesome, right? The reason why I got Core Black is because I'm a very neutral color person. I mean, I'm a minimalist. Besides, what's not to love with a Core Black, right? So, aside from that, I'll be applying Crep Protect as well on these new pair of shoes. Later, I'll be showing you what these pair of shoes look like when I wear them. Alright? I'll see you later. A little screen on time of what they look like when I wear them. Alright, I'm about to apply Crep Protect on my Ultra Boost. Let's go. Again, what you want to do when applying Crep Protect is that you want to make sure that every part of the shoe is covered evenly. So That's the first coat, and we'll be applying the second coat after 10 minutes. So I'm back to apply the second coat of Crep Protect on my Ultra Boosts. Let's do it. Have to shake the can well. Otherwise, and that is it. After 10 minutes, after it dries out, I'll test it if it works by splashing water on it. Hey guys, I'm back. So, alright, we're going to do the actual water test on the shoe to see if it actually repels water. And I'll, I'll let you know. You'll see in this video that it actually repels water. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe down below. Alright? I'll see you guys in the next one. So that's it for this review. I hope you guys liked it. In a separate video, I'll be doing a review on my Ultra Boost when I go jogging. And I'll also be comparing my NMD R2s to my Ultra Boosts. Alright? Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do consider subscribing. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.